Hi there, so today I'll be making some coconut rice. This is really simple and easy to make. All you need is some rice. Some rice that I'm using today is some basmati rice. Then you've got some coconut milk, some salt and pepper, and some onions. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash the rice. Because it's basmati rice, it's wise to just wash it more than 2 times, 3 times until it's not as, say, cloudy. Keep doing this process until all of the rice is nice and clear, ready for the coconut milk. Alright, so the next step what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the coconut milk into the rice. You can see now I've used around about half a tin of coconut milk from a normal supermarket. It's around 200 milliliters. Just gonna add this in, put it on top. I'm gonna add just 1 onion chopped up, add that in too. I'm going to add in a bit of salt and pepper. What some people do sometimes add a bit of sugar as well. I feel like the coconut milk is enough. Now you're going to add in just a little bit of water so it covers the rice and coconut milk. Once the water's been added, the best thing to do is just to stir all the ingredients together so it's mixed into the rice. As you can see, the coconut milk's starting to dissolve. It's ready. Now the best rule of thumb which you can do to say how much rice you need to put in is around the fingers, about a finger worth. What you're going to do is you're going to boil it first, bring it to boil. And let that boil out, and then we're back in about 15 minutes. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you very soon.